Hello guys, in this video I will explain you pronouns and their types. So let's begin. Firstly, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. A word that is used in the place of name we can call. Okay, so by reading these examples we can understood it properly. First, Mr. Sharma works in a bank. He goes to his office in a car. Firstly, here will be also his name. So here we have put pronoun he. Okay. Mr. Sharma works in a bank. He goes to his office in car. Second, Mr. Renu Mashakar teaches us English. She tells us some interesting facts about this language. And now, if we put here his name, then without writing again her name, we have written pronoun. Okay. In the given sentences, the words like he, his, us, she, etc. are pronouns. Okay, these are pronouns. Kinds of pronouns. So basically, there are 7 types kinds of pronouns. First is personal pronoun. Second, possessive pronoun. Third, reflexive pronoun. Fourth, emphatic pronoun. Fifth, interrogative pronoun. Sixth, demonstrative pronoun, and last one is relative pronoun. So now I will explain kinds of pronoun. I will briefly explain these kinds of pronouns. Okay. So first is what personal pronoun. A personal pronoun that stands for a person or a thing. Personal pronoun is that stands for a person or a thing. Okay. And see this table. First person is used as I, my, mine, and plural in we, our, ours, us. Second, like these, and third, you can see. Firstly, see that first person I. This is my book. Okay, and if in plural we say this house belong to us, and if in second person we are talking about the second person. Okay, have you done your breakfast? And in third person, two persons are talking about the third person. Okay, he, she, it, his, her, hers, it's, him. In plural, they, their, theirs, and them. Second is possessive pronoun. A pronoun that shows possession is called possessive pronoun. That shows possession, that is known as possessive pronoun. That firstly we will read these examples. The shirt on the table is mine. The book on the shelf are yours. Means that shows that the thing or the object is ours. Okay. In the given sentences, the words mine and yours are possessive pronoun. These things belong to us. Okay. Possessive pronoun generally come at the end of the sentence. So basically, possessive pronouns come at the end. There are singular possessive pronouns too. Okay. So let me read this table. First person mine. Second person yours. Plural. First person mine, and in plural ours. Second person yours, and in plural yours. Third person his, her, its, theirs in plural. Okay. Next is a reflexive pronoun. They are used when the action done by the subject turns back or reflects on the object. This is that type of pronoun when when an action comes back to the subject. So by reading this example we can understood it properly. The old man cooks all his meal himself. So old man cooks firstly food for himself, and he cooks food by himself, for himself, and by himself. Okay, means the action turns back to the subject. Okay, next is emphatic pronoun. Such pronouns are used to add emphasis. Okay, for example, we ourselves are to blame for this trouble, means that the trouble is done by ourselves. Okay, and next is interrogative pronoun. This is that type of pronoun in which questions are asked. In anywhere when you see that interrogative pronoun or interrogative something is there, that means that that are used to ask questions. Okay, for example, who won the match. Next is demonstrative pronouns. They point to the nouns they replace. For example, they point to the nouns they replace. For example, this, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns point to the noun they replace. Okay, next and last one is relative pronoun. They refer to some nouns mentioned earlier, which are called their antecedents. For example, the girl who stood first in the class is my friend. Who, that, whom, whose, which, etc. are relative pronouns. Who or whom are used when antecedents are people or a particular animal. Whom is used for objective case, and which is used for objects or animals. So relative pronouns are those which refer to nouns which are mentioned earlier, and they are known as antecedents. And who, that, whom, whose, which are called as relative pronouns. Who or whom are antecedents. Who or whom are used when antecedents are people or particular animal. Okay, and next is whom used for objective case, and which is used for animal or object. For example, we can say that which animal is this, which object is this. We can say like this: the horse which I recently bought is from Saudi Arabia. This is one of the example. Look at the given table and observe how a word may be a pronoun in one sentence, adjective in the others. So these are pronouns and these are adjectives. So firstly, look at pronouns. This is a nice picture. And when we look at the adjective, it seems like this. This picture is nice. Okay. And in same case, these another three examples are: that is a big building. That building is big. These are my trousers. These trousers are mine. You can see this example. Third in adjective, this becomes like as possessive pronoun. How? Because they have told us that these trousers are mine, and in same case there is. Okay. Fourth one is those were cruel people. Those people were cruel. Okay. So guys, these are some kinds of pronouns, and if you understand it properly, then please like the video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem, please comment me. Thank you.